Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, but it's been a long time since I did this chart, but had some questions come on it, rightfully so. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First, we'll start off with an area of resistance and really the key level from a big picture perspective. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's where this pink line here comes into play, the 200-day simple moving average. Even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard about the 200-day simple moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, and you want to see it act as support. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of having that act as support on several different occasions. But now that the price is broken below it, again, going back to that rule, it was support. But now in any sort of upwards price movement, that first key hurdle is going to be that pink line there, again, the 200-period simple moving average. So key level of resistance with any sort of bounce or with any sort of signs of strength on the bulls' part is going to be that pink line, 200-period simple moving average. Right now valued at $7.83, but keyword there being moving average, so that price will change as time unfolds. Now, what about areas of support? If this up or if this downwards move is going to continue, past 3 days have been quite red, so the bears seem to have quite a bit of momentum right now. But if this move continues downwards, where are some next potential areas of support at? And the next one is I would consider pretty significant, right down here around $6.30. Why do I say that? Well, if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see this was quite the stubborn area of resistance. Price could not, break above it. And basically, this is what was trapping the price down here inside of this range. And I don't mean to state the obvious or insult your intelligence, but the last thing anybody from a bullish perspective wants to do is see the price fall back inside of ranges where it was. And that's what $6.30 represents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, at that point in time, that is literally putting it right back to within that range where it already was. So $6.30, definitely the next level of support, and a very important one from the quote-unquote storybook perspective. So we'll see what happens with it. The week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see what the bulls have in store, or to see, I guess, what the bears could potentially have in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.